Hello my sweets, this is going to be your instructional video so you can be reminded on how to do this revolution project. So remember, students, you're going to choose one of the listed revolutions below. There are 6. There's Haitian, Nicaraguan, French, Russian, Iranian, Cuban. Only people who have already told me that they're doing a different one can do a different one. So at this point, guys, of this video being made and you watching this video, that time frame has passed. So if it helps you, I'm going to delete this. You cannot do another one unless I've already told you that you can do one, which would only be Lydia, Hamid, and Liam. No one else. So everyone else, you're going to click on this website and you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Not the bottom, kind of in the middle. And there's information for the Haitian Revolution, the French Revolution, the Russian Revolution, the Cuban, the Iranian, and the Nicaraguan. I have given you the links to what you need in order to answer the questions. These are the websites you should use. You need to make sure that you are answering all 8 of these questions as fully as you can physically answer them. So who revolted? Remember in my, if the teachers revolted kind of thought, what did they have in common? Were they all history teachers? Were they all Spanish teachers? Were they all math teachers? Who were they? What did they have in common? Why did they revolt? Why were they upset with their government? And give me reasons why. I want to know how they organized. I want to know how they overthrew the government, how the government responded, and how the government was the same or different following the revolution. And the 7 and 8, you are going to compare and contrast your revolution that you've decided to research with the American one. Okay? You're going to put all of that into either a Google Slides presentation, a Prezi presentation, or a Canva. Now down here, I'm going to show you again, I know I did this in class, but I'm going to show you again kind of a quick formatting for how you can take notes. Obviously, I'm just pretending to type, but this should be how you format for your slides, right? This is just making sure that you have every question answered and that each slide is accounted for. Miss Dillaway, really struggles to type sometimes, and I forget the questions. So, how did people organize? Was it smoke signals? Like the SOS, I need help. You don't need help. You guys are going to do great. So once you've got your layout put together, you will know that each of these are going to correspond to a slide. So this one is slide 1. The next one is slide 2. I did some weird formatting, sorry. The next one is slide 2. The next one is slide 3. The next one is slide 4. And that is going to assure you that you know every single thing is getting answered. Okay? You're going to have 9 slides altogether, 1 title page, and 8 answered slides that answer the questions. If you're doing a Canva, you need to have 8 sections, 9 sections. You'll have an introduction with the title of your revolution on there, and then you'll have 8 sections answering the questions. Remember, I'm not going to be available for email for a few days. If you're working with a partner, this is how to share it with your partner. So I'm pretending like Mr. Santor is my partner. And so I will just type his email in and I will click send, and it turns him into an editor. If you see beside his name, it says editor, that gives him permission to, write on the page. And that's how you guys should communicate in class. All right, you're going to do amazing. I totally know you've got this. If you need anything, email me and I will get back to you first thing Monday. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.